how to reorder the edge panels on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down, scroll down and click on Edge Panels. After click on Edge Panels, make sure Edge Panel button is turned on. After turn on Edge Panels, click on Panels and click on this three dot icon and click on Reorder. If you want to reorder the Edge panel, so you will reorder from here. After reorder, go back to home screen. So that's how you can reorder the Edge panels on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.